Yeah, in the mama hotel, man, doing my thing. Been putting in the work, putting in the songs, and doing it all with each and every wrong and right, man. But we getting mad dirty. We got the cool Vizio. Uh, my podcast is provided by Vizio anyway. They got the TV smashing like I like. Um, Shout out to Montana, man. We doing it simply right. Me on the wall, we doing things. Big business. Even magazines. Brought you guys my magazine I'm trying to get out. It was supposed to be coming out sooner than later, but I'm trying to get another one. Maybe I'll give a shout to Hulk Hogan, his movies. You know what? His own movie inspired me, the actor. Peace out.